I've got my anti-abo fucking device.
Oh yes. Nice B4 you got there.
Oh yeah, it's awesome. So, that's where I fucking just run and hide.
Typical rotor. Oh, the battery's going to go flat.
Oh, the flat battery.
Nearly.